Well, Thunderstorm coming into Salina, Kansas. Part 1 definitely is getting here. We're finally going to do a part 2, and I just heard thunder. So, yep, here it is. Right here. Getting to get here. And it's coming from west. The west side of Salina. So, hopefully this thing will not be too bad of one. And, yeah, hopefully. Sorry. But we'll just wait and see. Here it is. Crossings are wobbling. It is windy out. The wind's starting to pick up here. You guys can look at the stop sign. Just watch. It's not doing anything yet. See? That's how you can tell the stop sign is wobbling. The train crossing probably is also wobbling, too. Let me just go check this really quick. Question. Is the train crossing wobbling? I don't know. I mainly can't see. The I don't know. But it must be because it's windy. Hold on, check. You guys probably can't see it, but I definitely can. But yeah, we're doing a part 2 to this storm video, so we'll wait and see to see how bad she's gonna get over the fact that it's definitely coming in. You'll hear these things going off tomorrow, so here in Salina, these crossings are gonna be going off. Of course, it's gonna be hot tomorrow too, but I don't really care about that. Thought I saw lightning. Looks like we did. Pause. Okay, so we're back, and I just heard thunder. So, yep, part 2 is going to be coming up here in a little while. I'll be doing it inside though. But yeah, I definitely did see some lightning though, so that was the thing. Why is someone? Okay. Yeah, it's coming in. So part 2 in about a couple minutes. Stay tuned. But right now, we're just looking at this. It is about 5:56. So it is 5. I don't know, it's about 6:56 for a second. No. But here it comes. I know you guys can't hear the thunder, but I definitely can. I can hear the thunder, but you guys probably can't. I definitely can, though. So, it's definitely coming in. Why are those clouds breaking apart? But yeah, it's coming in. Here it is, coming in. Sun's trying to come out. I know you guys can't hear it, but I definitely can. But I know you guys can see it, but I can kind of see that this storm is moving in very soon. So, yep, stay tuned for part 2, everybody.